Farmhouse prep sinks transform a busy family kitchen by giving you roomy, durable stations for washing large pots, produce, and kids' items. Choose a deep single-bowl apron sink made of Fireclay or stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning, and plan for a minimum depth of 9 inches so tall stock pots fit upright. Mount it as undermount where possible to sweep crumbs directly into the sink, or choose an apron front for a classic look and ergonomic reach. Add a second, smaller prep sink in the island to create separate zones for rinsing produce and food prep while the main sink handles cleanup. Place the prep sink at least 3 feet from the main sink and provide a dedicated faucet to prevent cross-traffic and contamination. Install a high-quality hand spray with a pull-down or pull-out head so you can rinse large items and reach every corner. And include a pot filler over the range to reduce heavy pot hauling. Route water lines and shutoffs during rough plumbing to simplify future maintenance. Fit a garbage disposal sized appropriately for family use, and use stainless rinse grids to protect the sink bottom while allowing quick drainage. Pair the disposal with an air gap or high loop for reliable drain performance, and to meet code where required. Choose faucets with ceramic disc cartridges for longevity, and check flow rates to balance rinsing power with water conservation, and specify sound deadening pads under stainless sinks to reduce noise when the kitchen is busy. Finally, lay out cabinet storage and integrated pull-out racks underneath the sinks for cleaning supplies and cutting board storage, so everything you need is directly accessible when you are at the sink. Common mistakes include selecting a shallow multi-bowl configuration that cannot handle large pots, and the fix is to prioritize a single deep bowl or a deep primary bowl combined with a shallow prep bowl, so large items fit without awkward angling. Another frequent issue is poor faucet reach or spray power that makes rinsing inefficient, so choose a high-reach faucet with a strong, adjustable spray and verify the waterline sizing during installation. A third problem is inadequate accessory planning, like omitting rinse grids or a dedicated disposal, which leads to faster wear and messier cleanup. Include a disposal sized for family use and use fitted rinse grids and cutting boards designed for your sink to extend its life and functionality. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to showcase project ideas like farmhouse prep sink layouts that suit big family kitchens. Our site helps contractors find work and join conversations in our discussion community, where we and other members share tips, supplier recommendations, and installation experiences.